Hey, what's up everybody? Nate here with Nate's Dryer Vent Cleaning, your dryer vent specialist here in Brevard County. Still the only certified dryer exhaust technicians here in the county. I'm at a repeat customer's house. He's got a spare refrigerator next to his dryer and I want to show you something. Effective 2021, we are now cleaning the compressors and coils and refrigerators, and this is the great reason why it needs to be done. A lot of dust and dirt can affect the performance of the machine, and that's the last thing you want is for your refrigerator or freezer to go down when you got a lot of food in there. Inquire with us today. Nice and cleaned out. He said this refrigerator is 30 plus years old.